Hi, in this video, we're going to see how to back up all your posts and photos and videos from Instagram and download your data. So we're going to see how that happens. You just need to go to your profile icon and then to your settings, which could be accessed by tapping on the three lines at the top of your screen and subsequently settings at the bottom of your screen. Now select the fourth option from the top, which is security, and under the data and history section just tap on download data, the second option here. Okay, now what you do is you type in the email on which you want to back up all your data. So it could be any email. Just to demonstrate it to you, I'm just typing in a dummy email, xyz@gmail.com, and then you would just tap on request download. You would be asked to enter your password, and after that Instagram would process your request, which could take up to 48 hours, and maybe it happens earlier. So to save time, I'm not doing that. I will already show you what I did with my other account. So what I'll do is I'll just go to my Gmail now and show what emails I received from Instagram. In here, I would go to updates here, and here is the email I received from Instagram saying that here is the file which I requested, and it also says that this link would only work for 4 days. And because it may contain personal information, I should just ensure that this link is not exactly leaked out to anybody else. And then I would select on download information. I just select this, and I would be directed towards this page where my username has already been inputted. I would enter my password, which for this video I just chose this password just to show you guys how this works. This is the password I chose, and then I would select login. Now I'm being logged in to this to my account. I will just select not now for now. Okay, now what I need to do is I just need to click on download information here. Okay, now this file is being downloaded, and yes, it has been downloaded in the form of a zip file. So what next you need to do is that this is a 3.15 MB file. What you should do is you should just go to your Play Store and download any sort of zip file openers or any sort of apps such as WinZip, which would help you to extract those files on your device. Alternatively, what you could do is you could just go back to your downloads and have this file sent via email to your computer, or just open that email from your computer which you received from Instagram. And since most of our computers have the inbuilt zip unlockers, you could just unlock and access all your files via that method. But this is how basically you could extract all the information from your Instagram account and see all your photos which you uploaded on your Instagram. So basically you've just downloaded all your Instagram content on your computer or your phone, whichever device you're using. And I hope that this video helps, because this is a really cool trick and you could back up all your data this how.